It'll be my fastest lap.
Tired. I think you didn't come just off the track, so it's going to be a little. Tires are cold in my. All right.
Does that tell you?
Well, I'm just looking at the pressures. They are a bit cold. All right, so middle of the racetrack.
Yep.
Moving across the hood there. There's our apex. We're going to roll straight to full throttle. Wide brake.
So you are going in late. Okay, that's what I was asking you in the classroom. That makes sense.
Gotcha. All the way tight to the inside.
Yeah.
Firm brakes, slowing the car down back to third. Light brakes.
See, I'm turning way too soon there.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Up to fourth gear. Light brakes, third gear. Clip the apex, unwind, accelerate. Try to treat this as one. Back to fourth. Firm brakes. Light brakes. All the way out to the edge. Light brake, third gear. Clip the apex, unwind, accelerate. Up to fourth gear, straight through as possible. Firm brakes. Light brakes as we turn. Firm.
So about 3/4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Up to fifth gear. Firm brakes. Back to
So you're
fourth.
still on the brakes right there
Yep.
by the white cone?
Now I'm coasting. Maintenance throttle. Now I'm full throttle. Firm brakes, third gear, light brakes. Light brakes just to turn. All the way out to the curve. Up to fourth gear. Light brakes. Middle of the racetrack. Be patient here. No gas just yet. Maintenance throttle. Light lift. Feel the car turn. Now I can roll back.
So there was no brake there.
No
that
brake.
was just off the gas.
Yes. Well, at turning there was a light
Well,
brake.
that's what, but after you got off the brake the
Yeah.
first time.
It's just same thing here. Throttle steer.
Yeah.
Feel the car rotate.
Yeah.
All I did was lift.
No way.
Yep.
So that's what y'all mean by don't do the steering wheel.
Yes.
Damn it.
Firm. Back to third. Light. No gas. Maintenance throttle. Clip. Unwind. Accelerate. Up to fourth. Firm brakes. Light brakes off. Light. Third gear. Down to the curve. Clip. Unwind. Accelerate. Up to fourth. Firm brakes. Light brakes. Third gear, light brake, help the car turn, clip the apex, unwind, accelerate. Up to fourth gear. Firm brake, light brake. All the way down to the inside. Firm. Light.
You're a bad motherfucker. That is awesome.
Thanks, man.
I mean, like, it was perfect. It was like you weren't drifting, but you were drifting, you know, in a couple of them.
So there's a word for that. It's definitely not drifting. As soon as I counter steer, that's when it becomes slower.
Yeah.
It's called slipping. So it's